It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to ItzSirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you would do.
Hello, welcome to ItzSirap. Hey y'all, come on in, join the family. If you are not already subscribed, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a video, every time I go live, and all of that good stuff. All right, so today we are going to be doing a full set of Valentine's Day nails. Okay, I got some fruit slices, I got some long tips. These are going to be some long nails. I got some foils, some Valentine's Day acrylics. I got some kawaii charms, some glitters, all kind of goodies. Okay, so this set is going to be amazing. I am so excited about it. So for my lamp, I'm going to be using my Melody Susie lamp. I do have an affiliate link and coupon code with them, so definitely check that information out in the description bar. So as you can see, the nails look really nice. Okay,
thank you.
So we're just going to clip them a little bit and file them, shape them, all that good stuff. I'm going to go ahead and get these files ready. I use the Tammy Taylor peel and stick files. This is just another great way to make sure that your files are single use. When you're done with that client, you can peel it off and dispose of it. So I got my peel and stick file and buffer ready. For monomer, I'm going to be using Young Nails, and I'm going to be using my new little favorite dapping dish.
It's the monomer.
Yep.
Which reacts with the powder.
Yep.
To create a ball. Acrylic, which you spread on the nail, adding hug me hearts.
Okay, I think I want to take that lavender color and put that on the nail bed. So let's see how that looks. I'm gonna let that set up before I cap it.
Okay.
So on this finger,
What we gonna do?
I want to try something. I'm using the McCart, what is this? McCart foil glue.
Okay, I'm about to say this foil primer. I know everything got a primer when it comes to.
So put that in the lamp. Okay, so for the foil, which one of these do I want to do? I don't think I like none of these, y'all.
I thought you was gonna use the other one.
Which other one? This is the pack that I have, and I took them all out earlier and picked these two, but now I don't like them no more. So I'm going to let me see. Hold your nail out and let me try to see. Okay, I don't know what I'm about to do.
Cut them with the little scissors.
I'm gonna cut this because I don't want to get anything that I don't want in here on accident.
Right.
Cause they got all the stuff so close together.
Since we doing Valentine's Day sets, what kind of gifts do y'all like for Valentine's Day?
I like. What do I like? Here, put your hand back in there for a few seconds. Okay. I'm trying. If this works, y'all, I'm gonna be excited. I don't want to get that little flower in there.
What happened? It's in there a little bit.
Uh-oh.
Is it working?
I'm trying to get it to transfer.
Oh wait, so you like? Oh, it's like one of those, like a fake tattoo kind of.
Not necessarily. I don't think.
Where you like?
Oh, he did it, y'all.
Dang, that's what's up.
That is nice. Okay, what I'm going to do, because I can't really see that how I want to see it, I'm gonna paint the bottom of the nail with some white polish and see if that works. So he's in the lamp now. I put some white polish underneath the nail, which I should have put it on before I did the foil. I didn't realize it was gonna look like that. Okay, let's see what we're gonna do. We could try the marble on this one. Okay, for the pinky, I kind of want to do this silver, maybe this silver glitter all over. Okay, so now I'm gonna start encapsulating.
Okay.
That is when I go over it with clear.
Okay, and it's gonna bring it to life a little bit.
Not necessarily. I need to get your fingers separated from each other. Keep wanting to touch each other.
You said not necessarily.
Huh? What you say?
I said it bring them up, right? The colors and stuff make it more.
No, the capping and it's just covering it up.
Oh, it's clear, so it's protected.
Yes.
Okay.
Then we got to file it and shape it, and then we put the top coat on it.
That's what bring it up.
To life. Yeah.
Okay, so that's where we at. Okay.
All right, I'm going in with the Bellavina top coat on the ones with the inlane or encapsulated designs. And you want to make sure that you clean the nails like I did with a nail cleanser like the Swipe or alcohol or something, so that you don't contaminate your top coat with any dust or debris.
Yes. See it moisturized. Look at that, y'all. Wow. Life changing. Mm-hmm. Yep, we'll get all that. Set hands. Oh, that's the other moisturizer lotion.
Okay, y'all, these are the nails. Okay, we made it 2 hours later. And we made it, y'all. Okay, they came out great. On this one we did like a marble with the silver and the pink, and added some of those little slices on there. On this one, we did the foil first on top of the tip, and I put some white polish underneath the nail. So in hindsight, I should have put the white down and then the foil. And on this one, we used those Young Nails glitters along with some of those kind of heart candy pieces. And on this one, we did a full silver glitter nail, and we put that same little box of chocolates on there. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and everything else will fall in line, okay? Make sure that you hit the subscribe button. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and join the ItzSirap family. Hope y'all have a blessed rest of y'all day. And guess what, y'all? It's a wrap. I'll see y'all in the next video.
It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to ItzSirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.